All right, good morning, or maybe good evening, depending on if you decided to do this tonight instead of waiting and doing it on Wednesday. So what you guys are going to do is look at the rate for photosynthesis with looking at testing different colors of light. You also should have some time to start reviewing for the test. So remember the review sheet is there. So we did talk a lot about photosynthesis. We should have a good handle of the two processes, the light dependent and the light independent. And so what we're going to look at today is when you go into the pivot, you should see this colored light in photosynthesis lab. It says FHC on it. You're going to look at this basil plant again, and you'll watch the time up here. So it goes actually for an hour. You're going to fill in the table here. You can decide the time limits that you want to use. So when you open up the document in Classroom, you'll see that this is what I'll grade, is the document that's in the classroom. So you'll open up this document, this rate for photosynthesis in different lights. There's a good background here that gives you a really nice summary and talks about the electrons and how those are moving in photosynthesis. The Bozeman video is excellent as always. Okay, so think about how the environment could affect it. We're going to just test light because that's what we had an interactive that gave us data for. You'll need to make a prediction about the order of the light. So you're going to have a 7.5 watt light, an 8.5 watt, a green light, and then a red and blue light together. So all I want you to get is the actual rate. So when you go into here, you can decide the time intervals that you want to collect your data at. So you can do it every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes, every 15 minutes. So it's up to you to kind of decide what you want to do in terms of collecting your data. This is the carbon dioxide output, so you'll just record that, and you're going to do that for each of the colors of types of light. As you do it, it's going to generate the graph rate automatically for you. After you've generated your data, so let's say that I chose 10, 20, 30, 40, and then, I don't know, 150, 100. Whoops, I keep forgetting that it doesn't go down. But it's going to plot your data for you, okay? And then I can come over here, do curve fits, just like we did when we were on the lab quest. So you can hit curve fit, and then you're going to do this for each one. Do a linear curve fit, and then you see this line. And then I can get the slope of the line down here, okay? So go ahead and make sure that you get that. That's just the negative 4.25 ppm per minute. So then you're going to put the rate in here, and then you will get the times, and then you can generate your graph. Go back, do this absorption part where you're going to watch the video that's there and then answer the questions and kind of take a screenshot of the different absorptions of color and then of the absorption spectrum and answer the questions. So it's going to get into, and those will be these parts down here. And I should get, no, it's not going to force you. So these will just watch the video and answer these questions. And it gives you an idea of how this is the absorption spectrum of the basal leaves. So this is the light that they're actually absorbing versus down here, which is of the different colors of light. So you can kind of see what light's being absorbed versus being reflected. So then you'll just turn that in. It shouldn't take you more than about an hour to do, and you'll be all set. So have a great day. If you get stuck on something, send me an email, or we could do an individual Zoom if we need to. Have a great day.